come into Ulverstone and we've found ourselves in the wrong area. So this was marked on WikiCamps as the free camp, but no, it's on the other side of the railway line. So I'm just going to go do a recce, see if we can get over there all right. So we're just in a car park at the moment. Well, we checked out the little free camp. It's a lovely little area right by the river. There's a little boat ramp and it's free for 48 hours. But we are a little bit big really to get in there with all the other vans in there at the moment. So we're not going to do it. We're just going to park up and go for a walk.
Rolling into Ulverstone, clouds hanging low, chasing a free camp by the river's slow flow. WikiCamps at a waterfront sounded just right, but the rails took us wrong on a drizzly gray night. Parked up the van, pulled the jackets on tight, rain tapping rhythms, but our spirits were light. Walked across town with the river in view. Even without a camp, there's plenty to do. Rain on the leaving, jackets zip tight, Anzac Park glowing in soft silver light. Boardwalk stories, pigeons don't mind, Ulverstone's charm in the rain we find. Anzac Park coming with fountains and space. History whispers as we set our pace. Happy pigeons wide open green, one of the prettiest walks we've seen. The path led us on where the river meets sea. Buttons Beach calling, wild and carefree. Kids, parks and slides, bikes racing by. Rain on the Leven, jackets zip tight, Buttons Beach shining through showers of light. Every wet step just added to the tune. Tasmanian town, steal your heart too soon. We love a free camp, that part's still true. But towns like this make moving on hard to do. Sometimes the plan changes, and that's okay. The best memories happen along the way. Rain on the Leven, goodbye for now. Ulverstone showed us the why and the how. We'll roll on down the road, chasing the sun. But this rainy day walk was a beautiful